Look, learning a new language can feel like wrestling an octopus. Maybe you've tried tutorials, hit errors and thought, Swift isn't for me. Here's the payoff. Swift is fast and safe, and once it clicks, it's fun. Let me get you there in 3 minutes. First, the why. Swift powers iPhone, iPad, Mac, watch, and TV. Real jobs, real apps. It compiles to native code, so your app feels instant, and it's designed to prevent whole categories of bugs. Now the pain point, optionals. The question marks? Exclamation points. What's happening? Here's the simple unlock. An optional is maybe there, maybe not. Use if-let or guard-let to safely unwrap. Exclamation marks are force unwraps. Treat them like power tools, only when you're sure. Next, pain point. Structure overload. Classes, structs, enums, protocols. Payoff. Start with structs for data models. Value types are safer by default. They copy by value. Use classes when you need shared identity, like controllers. Enums are supercharged. Make impossible states impossible with associated values. Protocols glue it together. Program to capabilities, not concrete types. Concurrency used to be scary. Now, async, await. Mark functions, async. Use await for long tasks, and you just wrote readable concurrency. Need structure? Use task, task group, and actors to protect shared state. UI, SwiftUI is the fast path. Describe what you want, the system renders it. State drives the view. State for local, observed object for external, and environment for global config. Networking, codable makes JSON easy. Define a struct, decode with JSON decoder. Done. Error handling, throw, try, catch. If it can fail, make it explicit. Packages, use Swift Package Manager. Add, import, build, no drama. Testing, XC test ships with Xcode. Test logic, not just UI. Small tests, fast feedback. Performance? Use instruments to find bottlenecks and optimize what's measured, not what's guessed. Okay, how do you start today? Option 1. Swift Playgrounds. Type, run, learn without setup. Option 2. Xcode Template. iOS app with SwiftUI. Keep it simple. Ship tiny. 3 habits. Name things clearly. Keep functions small. Add to-dos, and move on. When stuck, print is fine. Then breakpoints, LLDB, and step through. Watch variables. Common mistakes. Overusing singletons. Force unwrapping. Massive view controllers. Break code into small files and extensions. The mindset shift. Learn patterns, optionals, value types, protocols, async, await. The payoff. Fewer bugs, clearer code, faster features. Next step. Pick a tiny app. Build one SwiftUI screen and connect data.